Hey, new from Timewise, models 1307, 8, 10, and 11, antique copper, brushed silver, gunmetal black, and brushed gold. Now these have solid metal retro clock cases, real glass lenses, they have a top snooze button, they have a constant backlight or backlight on demand only option, they have an ascending 4-beep alarm, they have the quiet sweep second hand, which I really like. You're not going to hear a peep out of these clocks. Now they run on 2 AA batteries, but what I like about Timewise is they provide the 2 AA batteries with every clock. I like the quality of these clocks. They weigh over a pound each. The pedestals are very nice. There's grips on the bottom not to scratch your furniture. And I think they would enhance anyone's home.